What's up, you guys? It's your girl Dana. I don't know about you, but I love to have a healthy snack in between meals. I think it's important that my snack is healthy, quick, and easy to make. So I wanted to show you my favorite snacks that I eat throughout the week. I have 5 delicious snacks that I know you're gonna love. So before I get any further, please make sure that you subscribe. Also hit the notification bell and please give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Also, please leave below what snack that you're gonna do first. Okay, so let's get right in. So my first favorite snack is organic apples with a non-dairy yogurt and creamy peanut butter. You can go and opt for whether you want a peanut butter or if you want an almond butter or cashew butter. I personally like peanut butter because it's a good protein and it's a healthy fat. For the non-dairy yogurt, I'm gonna leave the exact recipe below, but all it is an unsweetened soy yogurt, a little bit of maple syrup, and a dash of cinnamon. It makes the apples taste delicious. Either option is great. They're both healthy and they both taste delicious. My second favorite snack is vegan butter popcorn. What I love about it is that I can make the popcorn on the stove, whether I just put a little bit of coconut oil or I can put it in the microwave. And all I have to do with this snack, once the popcorn is done, is just melt some vegan butter. And what I like to use is the organic earth balance. I melt it in the microwave, I drizzle it on top of the bowl, and then I toss it. That's it. It's one of my favorite snacks. It's delicious, and popcorn is low in fat and low in sugar. So my third favorite snack is vegan smoothies. This one is my very berry smoothie and this one is my tropical island smoothie. Below I'm gonna add all the ingredients and step by step how to make it. But basically it's just frozen fruit. You can add some spinach into the very berry. You throw it into the blender with some non-dairy milk. If you want to add protein powder, you can do that too. You blend it all up and then you add your toppings. So you can add some granola on top, you can add some fresh fruit on top, and then you just spoon it, and it's just a delicious way of getting your protein, your nutrients, and your vitamins. And lastly, blackberries are high in fiber and they're packed with vitamin C. So that's just a little fun fact. So my fourth favorite snack is organic brown rice cakes with organic strawberry jam and organic creamy peanut butter, but you can also opt for the cashew butter or almond butter. What I like about this is that it reminds me of a peanut butter and jelly sandwich, but that it's healthier. So I love just a good strawberry organic jam that I just spread right on, and then I'm able to then just get my nut butter and I spread it on top. It tastes delicious, it's quick, it takes about 30 seconds, and it's easy to make. What I'm doing here, you guys, is I'm just flipping them over. I'm just making sure that the chicken cooks evenly, that the vegetables are cooking evenly, and they're getting nice and brown. So my very last snack, you guys, is a chicken and veggie skewer. What you just saw in the previous little clips is that what I like to do is add a little salt and pepper. I'll melt some vegan butter. I'll add some vegan pesto. I'll toss that. I throw it right on the grill with some sauteed carrots, sauteed peppers. I let it cook on the grill until it's fully cooked, both sides. And what I like to do is on Sunday or Monday, I cook it, and then throughout the week, I just take one skewer, I heat it up in the microwave, and I'll eat it with some guacamole dip. And to make that guacamole dip, I just get an avocado, I slice it, I mash it up, I get a little lime juice, some garlic powder, and a little salt and pepper, and that's it. And then I just have a really good protein snack with a healthy fat. So I hope that you love this video. I hope that you love my snacks. Please leave below in the comments which snack that you choose, which snack that you want to do first. Please subscribe to my channel, guys. It means so much to me. I appreciate all of you already subscribing. Please hit the notification bell and please give me a thumbs up. I love you all. Bye.